March 15, 2025. Opening song Adlaw Ikapawalay. Opening prayer ni Brother Abelino Sakha. Special song sa talang mga youth. Promotional song ni Brother Noel Bernil. Intermission song sa mga nanay. Gazeta by Brother Harold Cano, yung Secretary's Report. Lesson study by classes. Tribe of Ruben. Regular members 18, members absent 8, visitors 5, total attendance 15, Sabbath school offering 70 pesos. Group A Tribe of Simeon. Regular members 10, members absent 6, visitors 1, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 85 pesos. Tribe of Levi. Regular members 10, members absent 5, visitors 4, total attendance 9, Sabbath school offering 346 pesos. Tribe of Judah. Regular members 11, members absent 2, visitors none, total attendance 9, Sabbath school offering 150 pesos. Tribe of Dan. Regular members 11, members absent 3, visitors none, total attendance 8, Sabbath school offering 150 pesos. Tribe of Naphtali. Regular members 9, members absent none, visitors 2, total attendance 11, Sabbath school offering 141 pesos. O ang Naphtali, mga kaibigan, huwag sila ay absent. Tribe of Gad. Regular members 9, members absent 2, visitors none, total attendance 6, Sabbath school offering 295 pesos. Tribe of Bashir. Regular members 9, members absent 4, visitors none, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 240 pesos. Tribe of Issachar. Regular members 10, members absent 4, visitors 2, total attendance 6, Sabbath school offering 20 pesos. Tribe of Zebulun. Regular members 10, members absent 4, visitors 1, total attendance 7, Sabbath school offering 124 pesos. Tribe of Joseph. Regular members 12, members absent 3, visitors none, total attendance 9, Sabbath school offering 35 pesos. Tribe of Benjamin, Sabbath school offering 100 pesos. Total regular members 118, total members absent 41, total visitors 50, total attendance 90, and total Sabbath school offering 1,756 pesos. Personal ministry by Sister Linda Sangkap. Closing song, Imuna Ako O Ginoo. Closing prayer, Brother Neil Barrientos. Reciter by Brother Harold Cano. Mga to report ni Amin Sabado o Happy Sabat.